For most, learning to cook is a slow process, one that requires the right equipment, a well-stocked pantry, and a few easy-to-nail skills. With the help of some advice from registered dietitians, we've compiled 7 healthy cooking tricks every beginning home cook should know. 1. Invest in the right equipment. When it comes to kitchen gadgets, Lindsay Pine, MS, RD, owner of Tasty Balance Nutrition, says stick to the basics, at least in the beginning. She recommends starting with a set of reliable, heavy pans. Cheaper, thinner pans don't heat as evenly as heavier, quality pans, and this may negatively impact the quality of your food. 2. Fill your pantry with healthy spices. Having lots of delicious spices will guarantee your meals are always flavorful. Pine likes to keep soy sauce, mustard, garlic powder, and basically any dried herb on sale at the grocery store locked and loaded in her pantry at all times. 3. Nail those knife skills. Pine says this is the most important cooking skill to learn. Not only will it keep all of your fingers intact, but understanding and practicing proper knife skills can significantly speed up the amount of time spent prepping ingredients. 4. Actually read the recipe, the whole thing. Reading a recipe is like looking over an IKEA furniture manual. You have to do it before you start cooking, otherwise you're probably going to mess up. Especially when you're a beginning chef, sticking to measurements and steps is of the utmost importance. 5. Prep, prep, prep. After you've read through your recipe, take note which ingredients need to be chopped, diced, cleaned, or prepped in any way. The cooking term mise en place literally translates to put in place, and it's basically the French way of saying get your ingredients ready. Having everything prepared before you actually fire up the stove will help speed up the cooking process and keep you from getting frazzled. 6. Know your cooking methods. Since there are so many different cooking methods, it's important to master a few before you master them all. Start with simple techniques like sautéing and baking, then move on to the harder stuff like poaching and braising. 7. Don't be afraid of YouTube. You really can learn a lot from watching other people cook. Maybe that's why there are so many cooking shows. Minchin says using videos adds the visual touch to learning a complex cooking procedure. Basically, all those food videos you watch are sort of helping you become an amazing chef.